Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Ed's, or not Ed's agents. I wish they were my agents, but this is actually agents in action. I do work a lot with the agents though. Today I wanted to talk about what we are calling micro agents. Templafy works with all sorts of agents. We've talked about custom agents, talked about universal agents, and we've talked about all sorts of agents, but these are micro agents. Now that's all jargon, whatever, but what these agents do is something that I personally find very difficult, and I'm sure some of us watching also find difficult, which is I can create a document and go ahead and put some text in. Maybe I've done it myself, maybe I've done it with my agent, and I know how my recipient wants to receive information. I understand how, you know, I want to present information based on the document context, and sometimes that can vary a bit. And in particular, at least for me in this case, I find it really difficult to be quite concise. I'm a wordy person. I'm a bit of a yapper. And that also translates into when I'm writing things out. Nonetheless, we have developed these micro agents to actually help you with that refinement process. So in this case, I've got a document here that my agent put together. And I actually want to go ahead and I think these recommendations, like I like the text, it's got some good points, but I know that I want to present this in bullet points because it's easier for my audience to actually understand and get the most out of it. So if I go ahead and just highlight this and then navigate my way into here, you can see I've got all these different micro agents here. Now you can configure as many as you want. You can configure them to be super specific for you can give them knowledge, all that jazz. But for this, I'm just going to show our bullet point one. I want this in a few bullets. I would like this in 3, and I'm going to say continue. And I'll get a suggestion, which is super helpful. Maybe I want to redo it if I want to, or maybe I want to copy and paste it somewhere else. In this case, I just want to insert it right there. So I click insert, and off we go. I'm ready to go. Like I said, this can work in a myriad of different ways, and you can configure all these micro agents to help you with all the refinement you need to do. Thought this was pretty cool, and I just wanted to show it. I know we've got some folks out there using this already, but if you're interested in how to optimize it or you're not using it at the moment, feel free to reach out to us. Looking forward to the next episode.